Hello everyone, it's ArtisanTony, and I wanted to do a quick update for 2afund.com. And I had been crazy busy the last couple of months with work, and I got kind of behind here. But I was watching a video on James Yeager's channel about Darin McMahon, and I think that's how you pronounce his last name, McMahon. About how he was injured in a training accident at Rockwell Tactical in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. I think it was September 15th. But I have an article here about it on 2afund.com, but I'll just put the link straight to the GoFundMe page for him. And what we've done is, since I didn't have a project for September, for our supply drop, I'm donating that $100 for September to this cause here, because he was injured seriously. I think he was actually he was shot in the neck somehow accidentally, and I think he's paralyzed from the neck down. So that's a tragic accident, and his family's going to need support. And I just thought that was a great way to spend the $100 for September. And you can watch James Yeager's video about it, or you just go straight, donate whatever you can. People are, giving $5, $10, $20, whatever. And it looks like they're close to their goal of raising $100,000 as of the recording of this video. So anyway, my prayers go out to this family. I hope all is well going forward, well, as well as they can be. But anyway, since it had been a few months since I made a video for 2afund.com, I thought I would just remind people that you can go here to 2afund.com and click on Budget and Monthly Report, and it'll show you each month what we've done. And so through September, we've spent about $4,700. A couple of $1,000s of that was in-kind donations to the U.S. Army, basically through Chief Don, some consulting and drawing work I did for them, and I considered that a 2A project. And so about $2,500 in actual cash out the door for this year so far, which is good. We only budgeted $1,500. So on the receipts end, the donations end, we're in, about $1,680. Most of that has come out of my budget, personal budget of $1,500 that I put forward. And I just wanted to remind people that you can always donate. We've got these little donate buttons here, and if you do, we'll get together once a month and have a little hangout and maybe stream it live or something and talk about what projects we want to support. Our most recent project was supporting GunTube in Mike's Night Strikes Indiegogo campaign here. And then we also have an ongoing support that we're doing for DiversityShoot.com, where we're actually hosting DiversityShoot.com on our server for them, and we're taking care of the cost for that. And then I'm helping him out with maintaining whatever information he wants to be there on that website. So we have some in-kind type stuff like that listed here on our report. You can see everything we're doing is listed there. So anyway, I just wanted to give a quick update for 2afund.com, and also ask people if they couldn't just go give $5 or $10, whatever, to this family to support a fellow 2A supporter, Second Amendment supporter. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate you watching, and again, give me feedback for October. We need an October project. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it.